Dancing, let's go na. Let's put your, ano.
No, no, no.
I'll betray you. Ano, I'll take the dancing lonely. Okay? Hello kayo, picture na. I'll betray you. See, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see your picture. Okay? Na. Oh, wait lang, Daddy. Wait lang. Wait lang, Daddy.
Oh, come on, let's do this one.
Wait
Come on,
lang.
late na tayo.
Wait lang, Daddy. I'll picture you. Daddy.
Yes.
Ganito. I want ganito.
Ganito, okay.
I can ganito. Oh, look.
Sabi na, oh, let's go. Let's put in your head.
Okay, okay. It's not so huge.
Steady your head.
It's Russia. Look, ganito. Look, like this.
Yes. Let me see. Yes, yes.
Play, you want to play?
Yes.
Okay, let's look, like this, ganito. Ganito na, ganito.
Oh, you look your face in the mirror.
Ganito. Oh, ganito. Ganito.
Come here.
No, you put.
You see?
Hi. Hi.
Oh, you see? Di ba? Let's take a picture.
Hola. Hi, Daddy. Oh, ding, ding, ding.
Okay. You look like
Daddy.
Superhero.
Hola. Hola.
Wait. Let's take a picture.
Hola.
Let's take a picture. Oh.
Hola.
Okay, yeah.
Say, Daddy.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Ding, ding, ding.
1, 2, 3, smile. Not like that.
Hola. Daddy, Daddy.
Smile, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Oh.
Look. Smile.
Look.
Oh, it's raining. Look. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh no, it's raining.
It's not. Oh no! That's why I'm being good.
Oh no, it's raining.
I'm with who? Hi, guys.
Come on, let's go. Stand up. Stand up na. Stand
Hi,
up.
Daddy.
Stand up. Stand up. Let's go. Let's go. Shh. Play. Let's go. Let's go na.
There's a ghost. There's.
Go. Let's go.
Land, Daddy. Like land.
Let's go na. Let's put your ano na oh. Come here.
Land, Daddy. Like land.
Play. Let's go.
Like land, Daddy.
Oh, come on. Let's go na. Late na tayo. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You sit na. Sit down na. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Sit down.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
It's raining.
Daddy, it's raining na. Happy, 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 happy rain. Happy rain. Happy rain. Say happy rain.
Happy rain. Then go just yeah. Okay.
I want na. Ula, Daddy.
Come on, let's go. pa. Let's wait. Let's wait to stop. Let's wait to stop. Come here.
Dito! Dito! Dito!
Umuulan eh. Lay, look at me. Lay. Lay. Shh. Oh, come here. Look. It's raining ah. Umuulan eh. Bang, teka lang. Hatid mo kaya kami? Ha?
I want that's mine!
Ay, nagdala kami ice cream. Ay, sa labas. Ay, betos.
First event po to kaya sobrang sawa na. Tingnan mo mga nanay namin. Ba't ka nandito? Una.
What's this called? Wow.
Kilala na po si Mami G. Oh, yes! Tingnan ko nili yan. Puso. Ay, matawag ko sa akin mga last time. Kasi sulat ko yung before. Tapos nagpapaalam ko. Umiyak na. Sabi niya, di ba yung dati niyo po? Oo po yung makikabadji mo. College na. Sabi ko, yung anak niya. Baka po si Tati po. Sure po yun. Sabi niya. Okay? Go, Charmaine! You can do it! Go! Go, man! What's that? That is ang pagita? What is this, Charmaine? That is? Napo? That's mangga. Nasaan yung wood na? Tapos na po.
Okay na po siya.
Tapos na po. Wow! Very good naman. Baby, hindi mo nakita. Oh.
Where's your mommy? I couldn't go. Where's your mommy?
Wow! You're the lunch?
Aba, nakapost
Oh,
na
that's okay na. Hindi na siya mag-fit.
Tapos na ba yan?
Ha? You all right there? Okay. Mika, tatlo na lang, sure.
Ito na lang po.
Mika, Marco, and 30. Later, you're going to model outside, ha? You're going to show them how to pose and smile. Okay? Ay! Color it lang. Yes. Color that green.
I got
You're done? Wow! What is this?
it's like even sad.
Yes, what is this one? Yes, it's a bird. If you know what bird is this? This is eagle. Yes, this is our pambansang ibon. Yeah, what is this? An eagle, yes. Meron po ako sa kanya sa Filipino. Kahapon Filipino subject, pero nag-English po ako. Sabi niya nga na, no, I don't want Filipino.
But you know that what's the Tagalog?
Ito lang sila, si Catherine naman, parang hindi sila mag-Tagalog. Si Sky, si Enzo. Go, Maya! You're almost done! Go! Go! Go, Maya! Go!
Sit down there. Just sit down there. Sit down.
And the brown heel.
Ang ganda ng pearl, oh! Kay teacher, ito lang yung pearl. So pretty! Yan na ano, Rayola, Filipino.
You will show it later to your mommy before you finish it. Yes, po. Oh, you finish it. This one pa. Careful. Wow, good job. Wow, what is one? Here, good job. This one. Good job. What is one? Purple too.
Picture together.
Oh, yes, mommy's coming, honey. Show it to your mommy later, okay? Color school.
It's your favorite fruits. It's color yellow.
Para makita. Maya, next. This one. Color it. Brown.
Yeah, like that.
What is the color? This one? See? Brown. Oh, this one. You're welcome. Yeah. Oh, this one. Hi. Careful. Careful, this one pala ito. Parang tingnan.
Mali ako ng number. 12 pala, tapos
Doon sa morning, ay sa first bus, then sa second bus. Pwede na. Sino pa po na?
Okay. Where's it to your mommy? Where's your daddy? Daddy. Are you daddy? Your mommy. Color it na. Color it. Go. Color. Where's your mommy? Yes, your mommy's waiting. Okay. Color it na, go! Faster! Your mom is waiting.
Your mommy's making way.
Ay! Achong! Achong! Ay, sweet.
Mango.
Here. This one. Color it.
Yung black pantay. Sige na,
Go kids! Done na? Not yet. Oh, you're almost done na. Cut up sa laki.
I need you for that.
Tapos sir, pag-paste na yung work na. And then,
sa mga nangyayari sa ating school. Ayan, maraming salamat po, na-appreciate po namin yon. At ano po pala yung pinagdiriwang natin ngayong araw? Ayan, so hindi nga po siya August na, lumagpas na yung August, pero tutuloy pa rin po natin dahil kailangan natin siyang ipaalala sa mga bata na hindi lang po puro English ang sasabihin nila. Kailangan din po natin silang turuan kung paano magsalita ng Tagalog at paano kahalagahan po ng wikang Pilipino. Okay po? Ayan, so mamaya po, nakita po namin ng mga teachers, ng staff, yung mga effort nyo sa mga bata. So magkakaroon po tayo ng best in costume. Mamaya i-announce ni teacher kung sino po yung best in costume. Pero lahat po sila ay makakatanggap ng certificate. Okay po, meron lang po tayong best in costume. Okay po. Sa mga hindi po mapipili, meron pa pong mga susunod na event. Ayan. So, alam nyo na po, Mami. Mas important pa po natin. Ayan. Para po sa ating pagdiriwang ngayong araw na ito, uunahin po natin ang pag-model ng mga bata. Habang ano po yan?
music.
Ayan, si Teacher Amor.
Magandang umaga po. Walang energy, walang music.
Wala tayong pag-bluetooth po.
Ito yung USB.
Ay, yung USB.
Magandang umaga. Ayan. Energetic ako si teacher. Ayan po, so magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. At mabuhay ang parents ng St. Paul Educational Center, Kinder Shea. Ayan, so batch 1 po muna tayo kasi medyo madami sila. Kaya hinati po namin sa dalawang grupo. Ayan, so handa na po ba ang ating mga magulang? Handa! Para tunghayan ang ating mga anak sa kanilang pagmo-model. So mamaya po, malalaman natin kung sino ang best in costume. Yan. So bibigyan lang po namin ng parangal, pero lahat po sila ay makakatanggap ng certificate dahil po sa effort din ng mga parents natin. Ayan, so ito po yung unang event na magkakasama tayo. So ayan, let us welcome. Ayan, papasukin na natin ang Kinder Shea. Okay, let us start with our boys. Okay, let's welcome Kalay Sebastian! Wait.